Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by equipping a trident enchanted with channeling, because that enchantment is the direct trigger for lightning on hit. Once a thunderstorm is active, stand roughly 5 to 15 blocks away from your target so the throw connects reliably. Throw the trident while facing the mob or block you want struck. The lightning will spawn instantly on impact. Make sure you have backups of tridents. Durability matters, and practice 1 or 2 throws to nail the timing before you escalate. Once you can produce a single strike, scale it up by building a controlled arena. Narrow lanes, trapdoors, and water streams funnel targets into predictable positions. Use lightning rods to divert unintended natural strikes away from structures. They do not stop channeling, but they protect your base. For automation or testing, use the command/summon lightning bolt at exact coordinates to simulate strikes. Make sure redstone timers and dispensers are synchronized, so tridents throw at the right moment for repeatable results. To finish, repeat strikes to achieve your goal. Charge creepers, trigger mob conversions, or set off rituals, checking each result as you go. If channeling fails, verify there is an active thunderstorm. Rain alone is not enough. Also ensure the trident lacks Riptide, because Riptide overrides throw behavior. If things still go wrong, switch to creative and use /summon lightning bolt to test outcomes without setup. This isolates weather or timing problems, so you can fix them quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.